just got this new laptop before, went to Centrecom to pick it up. This is the Gigabyte G5 KD. It's a gaming laptop, but it's also able to edit video, do a whole bunch of other stuff as well. And I decided to get this one because I thought it was a great price. It was $1,400 Australian for it. And they had a sale on, and actually it was just ended, I think, today. So yeah, anyway, it's a great little laptop. It's 15.6 inch laptop, 144 hertz screen. And the best thing is that it comes with an RTX 3060. So for those of you who aren't familiar with the 3060, it's got about 50% more performance than the 3050 Ti. So definitely worth it for the extra money that you pay for it. It also comes with an older processor, the i5-11400H, but it definitely gets the job done. I think a lot of times when you are using graphic intensive programs and games, the actual graphics card is the bottleneck. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what you get with it. Comes with the 512 gigabyte SSD and also 16 gigabytes of RAM. So pretty simple sort of box. I mean, yeah, there's not really any writing on it. There is a little bit here that tells you some details of the laptop. Here it just says G5 KD on the side there. But I was surprised at how light this thing actually feels. And it's only about a 2 kilogram laptop. So really great performance for the size of it and the price as well. So just going to open that up like that. And let's see what we've got. Wow, look at that. There's another little bit here that you pull out. Internal box. Okay. So here's the goods. Okay, you got the proper specs here as well. RTX 3060p. Taking it out. And packaged very well. There's nice foam packaging in there. Wow, look at that. Okay, pretty simple. I think there's a charging brick here. You've got the cord included and the charging brick. And that's about it. Pretty simple sort of stuff. It's a chickeny power adapter. I've seen this brand used. I'm not an expert with gaming laptops, but I've seen that brand used. And so I've got one of those with my 17-inch MSI gaming laptop. So I think this is, let's have a look, I think it's 150 watts. No, it's rated 180 watts actually. That's great. Got that extra bit of power if you need it. And we'll pop that away at the side. And here we have it. Comes with a warranty card here. Gigabyte warranty card. It's actually a 2-year warranty, which I thought it's really great because some of the manufacturers only give you a 1-year warranty. And a quick start guide as well. There's a little SSD card there. It's not an SSD card, but it covers the port when you don't have a card in there. Got a few screws. I think this is for when you're putting in an SSD. Just screw it into the motherboard. And okay, there you go. Some probably 2.5-inch hard drive. So, what's this thing here? I don't know what this is. Must be, I think it's probably a spacer for the SSD. Okay, so move that out the way. And let's take off some of this. Let's take off some of this foam. Wow. Look at that. Okay, so let's pull this out, and I'm really surprised at how small this thing is. I mean, for a gaming laptop, usually these things are gigantic, they're thick. I think it measures about 3 centimeters at the thickest point, and I like the packaging. Nice protective sort of packaging there for the screen. Not much wobble there for the hinge as well for the screen. Wow, this is a lovely looking laptop. Stuff here. Wow, look at that. a bit of, I think this is like some cleaning cloth or something. I love the minimalistic design on that. The keyboard as well. I also like that it has its own separate keyboard number pad here on the side. A lot of the gaming laptops tend to have that now, but especially with my Surface Book 2, it doesn't have that. It makes it very difficult for productivity tasks. You're stuck using this top number pad. It's RGB as well, so you can modify and change that to your liking. But the thing that strikes me with it doesn't even look like a gaming laptop. I mean, it just looks so clean and so minimalistic. You've just got a couple of stickers there, very downplayed. I mean, you'd have no idea how powerful this laptop is just by looking at it. But let's have a look at the ports. So here on the side, we've got a USB 3.2 port, I think it is. Another USB port there. You've got a Kensington lock and microphone. What's this? Microphone and headphone jack there. Move along to the back. You've got yourself power, the Ethernet port, which is great, HDMI port, USB-C port. And I think this is really great because a lot of laptops that you buy these days, they don't come with any of these ports. You have to buy a separate dongle, a separate dock, which is going to cost you another $200-300. So if you're looking for something that is able to handle more intensive video editing tasks, even if you're not a gamer, I think it's much more cost effective and a lot more value if you get one of these gaming laptops. So the stuff that you see from JB Hi-Fi, or you see from just your general computer stores, they don't have any of these ports on them these days. And I think that's a bit of a shame. You've got the another USB-C, not USB-C, another USB 3.2 port, I think there, mini display port. You've got an SSD port here. There's a nice sort of textured pattern here. It looks like it's carbon fiber, like, how would you say, kind of pattern on there. And you can see the grills. Look at that. There's these heat grills here, fan grills. So here there's a bit of, there's another one there, here on the back, and there. So there's these 4 fan, what do you call it, air intake. And then you've also got this bit here at the bottom, just all of this open area so that the laptop can breathe. And it's really quite amazing. I mean, to fit it into such a little package, and tell you what, it's pretty light. It's very, very light. It's about 2 kilograms. And here you got a removable battery as well. And this is also a thing that you don't often find with most laptops. A lot of laptops, you have to open up the thing, take out all these screws, and you're sitting there for half a day. Small battery, I think this is this must be like a 3-cell battery. It's a 48.96 watt hour battery. So it's a pretty standard battery. I think for gaming laptops, they're not going to last too long on the battery alone unless you turn it on to power saving mode. But I like the design. I like how the battery comes. I like how the battery is able to be detached so easily. Very clean design, and it's it's plastic, but it feels quite premium, very solid, and especially the lid of it as well. I really like. Let me see. Can you lift it up? No. Some laptops, they're designed so that you can sort of lift off the lid without the bottom, but can't do it on this one. I also like the bezel. Check out that bezel. It's only got about 0.5 centimeter or something around the edge. So it actually reduces the size of the laptop considerably. So all in all, I'm really impressed. Like first, just looking at this from the unboxing. And if you want to find out more about this laptop, if you want to purchase one, I'll leave a link in the description. Fantastic. I'm very happy with it.